What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. It's Cookmas Day 1, y'all, and we are kicking it off with a fluffy and delicious honey bun cake. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's bake. Alright guys, let's get started. I am using box yellow cake mix here to keep things nice, quick, and easy because some days we don't feel like baking from scratch, alright? I like to use 2 boxes to give my cake some height, and I also like to go ahead and sift my dry cake mix to eliminate those clumps. Next, we're going to go in with some vegetable oil, water, and eggs. Just follow the instructions on the box, but doubling it, of course, since I'm using 2 boxes. I'm going to whisk everything together into combined. I should have switched to a bigger bowl, but I was being lazy here. But I still managed to mix it without making a mess, so it's all good. Alright guys, we have all of our basics mixed in, so now I'm going to add in some vanilla extract to make it taste more homemade. I'm also going to gently fold in some sour cream. This is going to make this cake extra moist and flavorful, okay? My batter is ready to go, so I'm going to pour half of it into my buttered 9x13 baking dish here. Alright guys, now we're on to the good part. I have some brown sugar and cinnamon here. I'm going to mix it together with my hands and just sprinkle some of this mixture all over the cake batter. Now, I honestly should have added way more, but it's okay. It still came out great. I guess now I'm going to take my spatula and swirl this mixture all into the cake batter so that at each bite you'll taste that nice honey bun flavor. Alright guys, I'm going to pour the remaining batter on in, top it with some more brown sugar and cinnamon, and swirl it in some more. Alright guys, we are ready to bake. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now let mine go for a whole hour, but definitely check it at the 45-minute mark, okay? Alright guys, here we are an hour later. As you can see, our cake is nice and golden brown, and you can see those nice swirls of brown sugar and cinnamon there. We're going to let this baby cool down for at least an hour to an hour and a half before frosting. Now while our cake is cooling, let's go ahead and make our glaze. I have some powdered sugar here. I'm going to add in some vanilla extract, of course, and some milk. You can also use heavy cream if you like. I'm going to add this milk in a little at a time because I don't want my glaze to be too thin. Alright guys, I got my glaze to the consistency that I want, so now I'm ready to frost this baby. I let it cool for about an hour to an hour and a half so it's nice and cool on top, but still a little warm at the bottom, which is actually perfect for me. I'm going to pour the shimmy glaze all over and spread it out with my spatula so that it's evenly distributed. As my glaze is spread out nice and evenly. Of course, if you like a lot of frosting or glaze, you can certainly make more or just double the batch. Now let's go and cut us a piece, y'all, so we can eat. And that is it, guys. Our honey bun cake is complete. It's super fluffy and moist, and I can't forget delicious. Now here's why I said I should have added way more of the brown sugar and cinnamon mixture. You can see a little of it here, but if you really want to see the layers, certainly add more, all right? Y'all whip this up for the holidays or even for Sunday dinner, and I promise you'll be wanting more. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to bake with me. Make sure you guys like this video up, subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 6,000 subscribers, y'all. Comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all tomorrow in Cookmas Day 2.